Most Canadians are losing thousands in taxes every single year, just because they don't understand the fundamental difference between two powerful accounts. I am talking about the TFSA and the RRSP. Knowing which one to pick can literally change your financial future and long-term wealth. Today, we are breaking down everything you need to know to optimize your taxes and keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. Let's start with the TFSA, or tax-free savings account. Despite the name, it is much more than just a simple savings account. Think of it as a protective shield. Whatever you earn inside it, whether from stocks, ETFs, or interest you pay, exactly zero tax to the government. If you invest $5,000 and it grows to $10,000, that entire gain is yours. You keep 100% of the profit. Another massive benefit is flexibility. You can withdraw your money at any time for any reason without any tax penalties or complications. This makes the TFSA perfect for short-term goals like buying a car, a wedding, or even an emergency fund while still growing wealth. Now, let's pivot to the RRSP, or Registered Retirement Savings Plan. This account works quite differently and is designed specifically for the long term. The main draw here is the immediate tax deduction. When you contribute to an RRSP, it reduces your taxable income for that year. For example, if you earn $80,000 but contribute $10,000 to your RRSP, the government only taxes you as if you made $70,000. This usually results in a significant tax refund check in the spring, which is a huge psychological and financial win for many Canadians. However, keep in mind that the RRSP is a tax deferral strategy. You don't pay tax now, but you will pay tax when you withdraw. The goal is to withdraw the money during retirement when your income and, therefore, your tax bracket's much lower than it is today. So, how do they stack up side by side? Let's look at a simple comparison to help you visualize the two paths. TFSA is tax-free on the way out and very flexible. RSP is tax-deductible on the way in, but locked away for your future. If you need the money in 3 years for a house down payment, TFSA is king. For retirement in 30 years, RSP is powerful. Let's look at a real-life example. If you invest $10,000 in a TFSA and it grows to $15,000, you would draw $15,000. In an RSP, that same $15,000 might be taxed at 30% upon withdrawal, leaving you with about $10,500. But the RSP also gave you that tax refund at the very beginning. If you reinvested that refund, the RRSP could actually win. That is the secret sauce of the RRSP. It's only better than the TFSA if you actually invest the tax savings you get today. If you just spend the refund on a new TV, the TFSA would have been a smarter choice for your long-term net worth. So, when should you use it? If you are early in your career or earning a lower income, start with the TFSA first. At a lower income, the RSP tax deduction, ISN, TS below. You're better off letting your investments grow tax-free in the TF. Once you move into a higher tax bracket, usually above $50,000 or $60,000, the RSP becomes a much more powerful tool. Also, if your employer offers an RRSP matching program, take it immediately. That is essentially free money that you shouldn't leave on the table. For many Canadians, the ultimate strategy is a combination of both accounts. Use the TFSA for flexibility and the RRSP for retirement. By balancing both, you ensure you have liquidity for today's needs and a solid, tax-efficient nest egg for your future self. Personal finance doesn't have to be complicated. It's about making small, informed decisions that compound over time into massive results. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to follow for more simple finance tips on Tech and Money Canada. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. See you next time.